In this video, I am going to show you how to create downloadable URL link for PDF document. To do so, go to your Google Chrome browser and click on Google app icon on upper right corner. Go to Google Drive. Click on new icon on upper left corner. Then click on file upload. Select your PDF file for which you want to create downloadable link. I'm selecting my PDF and click on open. The PDF file is uploading. When upload finished, you will find your PDF file on the top of the list. Right click on that PDF file and go to share. Click on share. In general access, by default restricted is selected. Click on the drop down menu here and select anyone with the link. Access type, by default viewer is selected. If you want, you can select editor or commenter. I am selecting viewer as because I only create the downloadable link. Click on copy link and then click on OK. Your downloadable link is created for PDF document, and you can save your downloadable link to any file, or you can share this link to anyone who need to download your PDF file. Now I'm going to check with the link. In address bar, paste the link, and here you will find a download button. Click on download button to download the PDF document, and the document is downloaded. In this way, anyone can download your PDF document using this link.